So with this one here, right, we want to work out x, so let's take logs, as I said before, okay? Take logs of both sides, okay? So I'll have log 5 to the power 4x minus 1 equals to log 61. So I'm not going to bother write my base down, okay, because it'll be base 10. Keep it simple, okay? Now, we've got that power there. We need to bring that power down. So bring the whole thing down and put it in front. That is the power law, okay? Put it in a bracket, yeah, because remember the power law, if the power is k, you bring it down and it'll be k log, so you've got to times them. If the power is that, bring it down, you've got to times it. So put it in a bracket, log of 5 equals to log 61. Now the next thing in, I would not expand this bracket, right? Don't expand it, just appreciate you've got this bracket times log 5, there's a times there. So take that log 5 over to the side and divide, leave the bracket of 4x minus 1 as it is. Put some times in, take that over, divide. Okay, then just deal with this. Take the minus 1 over. So it becomes plus 1, and then deal with the 4, take that over and divide. So if I take it over and divide, that's going to be kind of a big divide line there, yeah, over 4, or you could write it as 1/4, same thing. And then you just type that into your calculator in one go. So 1/4 log to the base 10 again, yeah, 61 over log to the base 10 of 5 plus 1, and I close bracket and I get 0.8886 to 4 decimal places. Okay. Right, see, and you know, you might argue now, you might say, well, the other way was easier before, using a simple approach, and I agree, it is easier, definitely. But it's going to help now with something like this, okay? So suppose I've got this here where I've got to solve this, and I've got powers on both sides, yeah? So 3 to the power x equals to 2 to the power x plus 1. So in this case, it actually becomes simpler to do this process that I'm just showing you. So take both, take logs of both sides. And remember, it will be log to the base 10, so log of 3x, 3 to the power x equals log 2 to the power x plus 1. Okay, so apply then the third law, the power law, bring that x down. Bring that x plus 1 down here. Okay, so I'm bringing that power down in front. I'm putting a bracket around it because I've got times by the log 2. Okay. What we need to do is get the x's onto one side, okay? Because we want to get the x equal. Maybe we need to factorize at some point, but at the minute I got an x here, I got an x here, so I'm going to have to expand that bracket. So I'm going to have x log 3 equals x log 2 plus log 2, okay? So x times that, 1 times that. Then I'm going to get the x's onto one side, so x log 3 take away x log 2 equals to log 2. And think then, how do I get my x on its own? Well, you factorize out the x as so, and to get the x on its own, then you take this bracket, because you multiply by x, take it over the other side, divide, so you end up having log 2 divide by then log 3 take away log 2. Okay, easier to write because I'm using base 10. So fraction button, log to the base 10 of 2 over log to the base 10 of 3, take away log to the base 10 of 2. So I get at 1.70954 decimal places.